12 cylinder. It's got a torque tube, a transaxle, a flip top windshield, an aluminum body, all handmade. Nothing on this car came from another car. It's all handmade. Ferrari engine that has just the right amount of power. It was built as a tribute to the sports racing GT cars of the 60s. Everything that I've ever raced or driven, and all the good points and all the ideas that I had as a result of that, I just condensed into this form. Art form, multi-dimensional. That's what it's all about.